Hi students, let's look into Unit 1 Life Cycles of Flowering Plants. 1.3 How Seeds are Spread. The objectives are explain why seeds need to be spread away from the parent plant to reduce competition for light, water and nutrients, identify and describe different methods of seed dispersal, classify examples of seed according to their dispersal method. Okay, how seeds are spread. Fruit and seeds. A fruit is the part of flowering plant that contains the seed. Fruit have a skin on the outside, seeds inside and flesh around the seeds. A fruit has two jobs: to protect the seeds inside, to help spread the seeds. Why seeds must be spread? Plants need to spread their seeds away from themselves. We call this seed dispersal. Seed dispersal happens when a fruit is ripe. The seeds are ready to grow into new plants. Seeds grow into young plants called seedlings. Seedlings need room to grow. They also need light and water. Seedlings cannot grow to be healthy plants if they all must share water and light in a small area. Plants are adapted to disperse their seeds in different ways. Okay, animals. Some fruits attract animals to eat them. These fruits are usually colorful, soft, juicy and tasty, have small seeds. Animals like birds, monkeys, mice and elephant eat these fruits. Seeds pass through the animals and are dropped in their droppings, often far from the original plant. Some seeds have spines or hooks. These stick to animal fur or people's clothes. The seeds fall off later or get scratched off by animals. This helps seeds spread far from the parent plant. Water. Some seeds are dispersed by water. The fruits must be able to float. These fruits have spongy covering to help them float. Example, coconut floats in water to spread its seeds. Mangrove seed, called sea pencils, float upright in water until they reach land. Split open or explode. Some fruits spread seeds by splitting open when they dry. Seeds fall off or get shot out from the fruit. Example, bean sprouts dry and explode it in hot weather to release the seeds. Drop and roll. Some fruits are heavy and round. When ripe, they fall from the tree and roll on the ground. If the fruit has a hard outer shell, it can roll further. Fruits falling from high branches roll even further. Example, apple seeds are spread this way. Soft fruits may break open when they hit the ground, scratching seeds. Scattering seeds. Animals that eat fallen fruits also help spread seeds further. Okay, life cycle of flowering plants. 1.4 Seed germination. Define germination as the process by which a seed starts to grow into a new plant. Identify the basic structure of seed coat, cotyledon, embryo. Describe the stages of germination. Okay, why seeds must be spread? Seeds grow into new plants. There is a tiny plant inside the seed that starts to grow when condition things that affect how something happens are right. The seed also has a food store. When a seed starts to grow, we say it germinates. This process is called germination. The seed uses its food store to give it the energy to grow. Before the seed can start to grow, it needs water. Germination starts when the seed takes in or absorbs water. The seed shrivels and becomes small after germination. Here are the stages in germination of pea seed. Okay, as you can see, the seed absorbs water and swells. The seed coat splits, and the first root starts to grow. The first shoot starts to grow. Okay, the root grows down in the soil. Okay, and we can see the shoot grows above the ground. The first leaves grow. Side rows grow. Okay, recap of the lesson. Seed dispersal help plants spread to new places so they don't compete with the parent plant for sunlight, water and nutrients. Seeds can be dispersed by wind, water, animals or explosion depending on their structure. Germination is when a seed starts to grow into a new plant under right condition, water, warmth and oxygen. The first part to grow are the root to absorb water and the shoot to breathe sunlight. Growth continues as the seedling develops leaves to make food by photosynthesis. Okay, thank you.